MicroSharp Needles Private Limited is an Indian company manufacturing and supplying superior quality and high precision drilled end suture needles known as atraumatic needles for surgical sutures over a decade. MicroSharp Needles, one of the fastest growing companies, manufactures all types of drilled end surgical needles as well as specialized needles which are custom based. The company has production facilities in Bangalore and Mettupalayam.
MicroSharp Needles has the unique advantage of offering its customers superior quality needles at competitive cost, as most of the machines used in the manufacturing are designed and produced in-house. The founder of the company, Mr. Belli Arjunan, has had an experience of over 30 years in the industry by then when he started the company.
The company follows a stringent quality process and is ISO 9001-2008 certified. The high-quality raw material AISI 420 series medical-grade stainless steel is being imported from Germany, the USA and Japan to meet the needs of international standards. The imported coil of wire is placed on the revolving swift to recoil. It is further straightened as well as cut to length, and the length would be of 2 needles. The cut wires are fed to the hopper in the rough pointing machine. Both end of the cut is ground to a sharp point. Keeping the pointed end as a gauge, the wire is cut to the required length of needle. A special type of cutting wheel will cut the wire with minimum burr. The small amount of burr left at the cut edge is removed by brushing the cut edge in a brass wire wheel. An automatic centering machine punches exactly at the center point of the circular cut surface of the wire to guide the process of drilling. The drilling machine is fitted with auto feed, drilling and depth control system. Different sizes of drills are used for different sizes of sutures. The depth of the hole varies from 1 mm to 2 mm depending on the suture sizes to be fixed onto the needles. Rough pointed end of the needle is ground to achieve a standard profile of point as well as to remove the grinding mark. The point has to be sharp and smooth. To achieve a triangular point, the needle is pressed to a triangular shape by using a power press with suitable webbing dies. The length of webbing is half the length of the needle from the pointed end. Different shapes of the needle points are achieved in a similar pattern. The central portion of the needle is slightly flattened for a better grip while handling with forceps, excluding the bore end and the pointed end. The flattened needle is fed into 2 suitable sizes of rollers for bending. Different shapes are achieved, such as half circle, 3/8 circle, and 5/8 circle, J curve, and SKI needle. The needles are treated to heat treatment of 1000 degrees and quenched in quenching oil to obtain hardness, and then they are treated to tempering process at 350 degrees to get the required flexibility for the needles. Needles are loaded in a tumbling barrel with a phosphoric sulfuric bath and run for 30 minutes to descale the surface as well as to give fine polish and smooth finish.
Our vision is to offer superior quality and precision needles in the domestic and international markets. Our highly skilled and experienced professionals comprehend the exact demands of industry needs and client requirements. Accordingly, they enable us in offering precision engineered range of surgical needles.
Inspection is done for defects, if any, for parameters such as sharpness of needle point and cutting edges, drilled hole diameter, drilled hole depth, drilled hole center, surface finish, ductility, flexibility, and corrosion resistance. Samples from each batch will be checked in Quality Control Laboratory for all parameters before shipping. MicroSharp needles are being supplied to many markets in India as well as exported. The company's mission is to achieve total customer satisfaction.